Nestled in the lava bluffs of Albuquerque in the Storm Cloud subdivision, this large 2,706 square foot family home is 2 minutes from I-40. It has spacious 2-story living with a large open kitchen and great room and a separate formal dining area. There's stainless steel appliances, 4 bedrooms plus an office, and 2.5 baths. The Grand Master Suite includes a large bathroom, an extra large walk-in closet, and a balcony with beautiful views of the Sandias. There's an oversized garage which allows for large trucks and plenty of storage. And the backyard is beautifully landscaped with a garden, a pergola, and automatic watering. For more information on this home, contact Danny Vigil at Coldwell Banker Legacy.